Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making a recipe out of the Mennonite Community Cookbook. I'll be making baked liver. So what all goes into the baked liver? 2 pounds of beef or calf's liver. I have the beef. 3 slices of bacon. 2 onions sliced. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/8 teaspoon pepper. 2 pounds of fat. Usually they would be using lard. I'm going to be using shortening. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. So take a baking pan, dump in your fat, which I'm using shortening, and spread it all over the bottom of the pan. I'm sure you could use butter or coconut oil or whatever you want, but I'm trying to be as authentic as possible. Then take your liver and put it at the bottom of the pan. Now Dave and I both like liver, but I've never had it baked. So this will be interesting. And I know this recipe is, you're either going to like it or you're going to hate it, and that's fine. I don't expect everybody to like everything I make. Then take your onions, put them on top. Then take your 3 strips of bacon, put that over the onions. And then season it with your salt and pepper. And you can do your salt and pepper to taste. So put your baked liver in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So here is the baked liver from the Mennonite Community Cookbook. And rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes and gravy. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks very flavorful.
It's baked liver.
Oh, that's liver?
Yep.
Okay. Smells good. Oops, I'm losing parts. I think Buddy's smelling it. Get a little piece of bacon. Really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.